Imagine you are invited to be an appearance for a TV show or anything that puts you in front of the camera. One thing you will be very concerned about is how you look, because you are definitely going to be on the spotlight in front of camera, and who doesn't want to look glam when the camera is on them? On this video, I want to teach you how to make long-lasting nails yourself in less than 10 minutes. For those of you who have been following my videos, you know that my nails have their personalities on their own. My nails are my fashion statement. I don't care if I make my hair, I don't care if I'm wearing makeup, but my nails, ooh la la. When you see my nails, you know what I'm talking about. So join me as we take step by step on how to make nails yourself. Remember, we have a hypothetical case where you got a call to be a guest on a TV show or any talk show that has to do with the camera and the glam. And now you have to make your nails as fast as possible. Here are 5 items you need. Number 1 is a glue. Number 2 is a nail file. Oh, this is mine. It's a little bit rusty and old. Number 3 is a buffer. This is mine. I've been using it for long, as you can see. Number 4 is a nail hardener. And number 5 is the nails. Now let me tell you, I am supposed to add scissors to this collection, but because I am using already designed nails, I will not be using scissors. I decided to pick nails for the last option because of what I want to talk about nails. Remember, you are called to appear before a TV show. Now it's not the time for you to get nails and you cut and you file into shape. No. You go with already made design nails. These are my nail collections. You know I make nails a lot, and I got them online. Already made nails, they are already cut and designed. You just have to pick the ones that you want and you have your nails ready. Okay, now before we go on, look at my nails. They are not made, and when I finish making the nails, you will tell me how different it look. Because I'm putting on black, I'll go with something. Okay, I'll go with this. Yes, okay. So I'm picking these nails. The first thing you do when you want to fix these nails yourself is to check the size. Our fingers are not equal, literally. Our fingers are not the same size. So when you pick the size of the nails, you pull it out. So now let's try. I'll check this. So this number 2 nail is my preferred nails. When you pick, you cut out. So I've selected this for the big nails. I cut out. I'll try again for the middle nail, for these nails. Now, this is too big. I go for this, and I cut out. Now, I have my nails ready. You will start thinking, what do you have to do next? What you have to do next is to file. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, when I make my nails, before I went out and came back, the nail had fallen off. Or I went to a nail technician and I fixed my nails, and before I knew, the nails fell off. You know why? Your nails were not properly filed. When you fix your nails on top of smooth nails, they will fall off. For me, I like to fix my nail on chopped nails. Some people already have long natural nails and then they fix their nails on top. No, it is not good. Your long natural nails will create a kind of opening. So when you are washing clothes or doing things, there will be water entering because of that gap that your long nail caused. So it will quick slacken the nails and fall off. So try to chop your natural nails before you fix nails on top. Or don't fix nails at all if you want long lasting nails. But if you don't want the nails to last for like 2 or 3 weeks, then you can fix it the way you like. But for me, I like to chop my nails before fixing the artificial nails. So can we go? You are going to fix the right hands first before fixing the left. And to make it fast, just hold your file on one angle and take your finger left and right, up and down, and whichever way you can file it. What you have to do is just to make sure it is fine and your nails are rough. That is basically why this is done. Okay, remember, you have been called to appear before a TV talk show. You want to fix your nails before going. I told you this would take less than 10 minutes. Okay, now we are done with the filing. This is part of it. I am not going to edit this video. I'm going to do it raw So maybe I'll cut it so that the video will be shorter, but I'm going to leave it so that you will see all the process. Now the next thing for you to do is for you to put your glue. People glue their nails different style. For a lot of people, there is a common mistake a lot of people make when making their nails. Now this is it. When you have an already made nails, you don't file the tip. When you file the tip, most times you will file the design out of it. So don't file the tip of the nail. Don't file the edge of the nails, which is the under. But if it is nails that you want to create yourself, those are the nails you can file the under of them. So right now we are going to gum these nails. I will advise you, when you want to glue nails, some people will put glue on the nails and glue it. No, I put glue on the artificial nail to put on the natural nails. Remember, the right finger is first. The first step was to measure the nail. So every nail, I know which nail is for which nail. So for me, what lasts for me is when I put glue on nails before putting it. Sorry, we are going to be getting a messy video. This is not an edited video. This is for people who are in a hurry. Sorry, that was a mess. So when you put glue on the nail before gluing to your hands, it just glues around. If you put glue on your hand, it pours off, and sometimes you might not get the result you are looking for. Make sure you hold. Are you seeing the difference? A messy day. This is not one of those videos where everything is perfect. Sorry, they were not having a perfect video. We are doing this because we are in a hurry. After gluing the nails, this is where the buffer comes in. When you break the nails from its original state, the tip is usually rough, and most times when you touch something like a woolly shirt, it just grabs your shirt. It is not good. So what you have to do, this is when you have to use the buffer. You just try to smoothen the tip so that the tip that you broke out of the original state is a little bit smooth. There's no special technique on filing, especially when you are making nails yourself. Some people's right hand is more powerful than the left. Some people's left hand is more powerful than the right. So whichever way, if you are left-handed or right-handed, fix your nails the way you can fix it. And now the most important part, which is the hardener. So I have my already made nails. The next thing is for me to use hardener to make them bright. Some people will say, oh, if you use hardener, the design will clean off. I don't buy cheap already designed nails. When you want to buy nail hardener, do not buy the local nail hardener. Buy the foreign nail hardener because it is lighter. When you put a nail hardener on your nails, you have no business sitting for 10-15 minutes before your nail gets dry. As soon as you put the hardener, it dries off. This is a foreign nail hardener. See, it's dried up. I can put it on myself. See, it's dried. So I can do whatever I want to do now, and I don't have the fear that, oh, my nail have not dried. Oh, let me sit like this. No. So now I'm going to tie a scarf on my hair in my rings. I love rings, and you are going to tell me how it looks. When you're talking, see your fingernails. Just with your nails and with the most simple clothes ever, it gives you a different personality. So imagine appearing for a talk show or a panelist or a moderator or whatever program they invited you for, where you have to sit in front of a camera. You are going to appear looking like this. It doesn't matter what clothes you're wearing. I'm just putting on a black body hug and a black jeans and wrap my hair with a scarf, and then I'm talking. And I know wherever your eye is going to right now is my nails. You don't even care the kind of makeup I'm wearing. You don't even care what I used to wrap my hair. What you are concentrated on now is my nails. That is how much grace and glamour your nails can add to your overall attire. So yes, I believe you've gained something from this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because next time we are going to be learning something new and discussing something entirely that might pique your interest. See you again on my next video. Bye.